Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the Lefun watch to at least 50% and open the Lefun Health app on your Android. Next, make sure Android Bluetooth is on and visible. You want the phone actively scanning. Once done, wake the watch and swipe to the pairing screen so it's discoverable. This step matters because an uncharged or non-discoverable watch often fails to pair. Make sure both screens remain unlocked during the first connection attempt. You'll now pair using the Lefun Health app. Open the app and tap the device or pairing section, then let it scan for nearby watches. When the Lefun watch appears, select the exact model. Be precise to avoid mismatches. The app will show a pairing code, confirm that number on the watch display, or accept the confirmation prompt on both devices. Once paired, grant required permissions, such as notifications and location, so the app can sync data and run reliably in the background. Finish by granting the Lefun app permissions for notifications, location, and background activity, so syncing runs continuously. Then use the app to sync time, alarms, and watch faces. Make sure Bluetooth stays enabled and that battery optimization won't kill the app. If syncing fails, try one key troubleshooting move. Restart Bluetooth, reboot the watch, and reopen the app. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the Lefun Health app. Then repeat the pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.